Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn about custom fields. We will see how you can create a custom field for opportunities and how you can use it in forms or surveys. So let's get to it. Navigate to settings, then custom fields. Here you can see all the existing custom fields. You can search for a specific custom field using this search bar. You can switch between these three different tabs and switch between pages from down here. And if you want to edit or delete a field, click on the checkbox right next to it, and then under bulk actions you can perform the desired action. But please note that default custom fields cannot be edited, deleted or even moved to another group. For example, if I try to do it for opportunity name, you can see that I am not being able to do it for opportunity name because this is a default custom field and I cannot do these actions on this custom field. Now let's create a custom field for opportunities. Click on this add field button. Now from this dialog box, choose the type of custom field you desire. There are 13 different custom fields. You can see the preview of a custom field on the right hand side of your screen. Let's take single line text for now. Click on next. Now fill in the data in all these fields. First of all, we have the name, the field name. Let's say test1, and then we have the object. From here choose the object for which you are creating the custom field, select opportunity, then choose the group of your custom field. From here we have opportunity details. You can also add a field placeholder text here, let's say type in here, and then we have the prefill value. You can also add a prefill value in this field over here. And then lastly, in additional preferences, you can add a unique key and you can also add a description. And then once you are done filling up all this, click on save. As you can see that we have our test1 field created and it is in the folder of opportunity details. Now let's create another folder and add another field in that folder. For that, click on this add folder button and here enter the name for the folder, let's say test folder, and select the object for this folder. We are doing this for opportunity, so choose opportunity from this drop down, then click on save. Now navigate to folders and choose opportunity from this drop down, and you can see our test folder here. Click on it, and now to add a new field in this folder, click on add field again, and let's take single text again, single line text again, enter the field name test2, then the object is already opportunity, group is test folder, and click on save. Okay, so as you can see that our test2 field is created in our test folder. Now let's see if these fields appear when we create a new opportunity. Go back and navigate to the opportunities tab. Click on plus opportunity button and our test1 field should be here. Yep, at the bottom we have our test1 field, and let's just quickly create this opportunity for a contact. Let's take this one and click on create. Okay, so when our opportunity gets created, our test folder group and all the other groups appears on this left column. And if I click on this test folder group, our test2 field should be there. So yep, our test2 field is here, which means that we have successfully created custom fields for opportunities. We have another cool feature of hide empty fields. If I click on it, all the fields that have no value will disappear. As you can see that the fields that had no value has disappeared. Now let's see its use case in forms or surveys. Go to settings, then custom fields, and let's add another type of field which can be useful in forms. Click on add field. From here at the bottom you can see the file upload custom field. Click on it and then next. In this dialog box, fill in all the data required, enter the name for the field, the object, the group, and at the bottom we have the type for the image, let's enter the name. Let's say test file, and here select the group, general info, and once you're done filling up all this, click on save. Okay, so as you can see, our test file field is now created. Now let's hop into our form builder, go back, and from here click on sites, navigate to forms and click on builder, click on add form button, and from here click on start from scratch. Okay, so we are in our form builder. On the left hand side of our screen, we have the plus button, click on it. And now we are in the quick add tab, which contains the most commonly used fields such as name, email, and phone. You will also see the custom fields, which are those that you have created specifically for your business needs. And here at the bottom, you can see the test file that we have just created. Drag and drop it into the form. Now, if you want to edit this field, click on it and the settings will appear on the right hand side of your screen. You can modify the title and set a placeholder text if desired, and you can toggle the required option on or off based on your form's needs. Click Save Form and then click Integrate Form, and from here you can copy the form link and paste it into the browser or wherever you wish to use it. Now let's just click on done and close the the form builder. Okay, so that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.